about that. Let's talk a little bit and remind ourselves this year, 2019, mashallah. It is not the Hijri year, the year of Hijrah, but let's be honest, I don't expect you to write a check 2018, right? And you don't go to school and put the date of your schoolwork on 2018. You got to be real. We live a real life. We are realistic. Muslims are practical, realistic people. You don't choose the camel to walk to Saudi Arabia. You choose an aircraft. Nowadays, people don't even use boats anymore unless you're very close by. So Muslims are high-tech people. We're very technical, high-tech. Our Prophet ﷺ was the supersonic. His Miraj, his ascension, the things he did, science and scientists are still trying to comprehend it. Very sophisticated in health and science and technology. Yeah. And we had a khutbah or sermon many months ago on that. The science and prophethood and how they did very scientific things. Prophet Sulaiman ﷺ used to fly before the Wright brothers even discovered flying 500 years ago. He flew thousands of years ago. Prophets.